How to do employee onboarding in Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do employee onboarding in Monday.com. If you don't know it, Monday.com is a work management tools that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your tasks, all your data, or even you can monitor your employees. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the onboarding for your employees. So first we're gonna create a board. So first you can choose your workspace and then after that you can click plus icon here to add items. And then you can choose board and there are two options, new board or start with template. So in this video, we're gonna use template because it's easier and it's free. So you can try it. So you can click start with template and in the template center, you can go to search box in the top and then you can search on board. And there are six templates. So you can choose whatever you want. Let's say we're gonna, check this. And as you can see, this is the description. And then you can see this is the preview. If you think it's not good enough, you can check others. Maybe you want, oops, start again. And then maybe this one employee onboarding. And then if you think this is good, you can just click use template to create a template to your board, to your workspace. And it's done. This is your employee onboarding. As you can see, this is the table. This is the details. You can edit it. You can modify it as you want. You can see this is the department, work email, and others. You can add more column here if you want to add more information or data. And there are three groups: general, this month, and next month, also last month. You can edit it and you can modify it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.